everyone and welcome back to a new video. As you may see, today I want to show you my special program that I made with C# programming language. I named it Beth, and I made this program to be a good assistant for the users. So I added to it voice recognition or voice commands. That means users can just say some specific voice commands to execute some processes. Now I will show you the program and how it works.
Hello, I'm Beth 1.1, your new assistant.
This is the interface of the program, and as you see, I added also some things like MP3 player and quick access. This MP3 player is so easy to use. I don't have to demonstrate really how it works. And if you want to change the color of this of some elements, just go to this button and select your favorite color to change it. For example, green. And if you want to change also the user picture, just go to settings and click on change user picture. And quick access is a feature that I wanted to add it to this program. It works basically as shortcuts. So first of all, you have to choose your file or any specific file that you want, even if it was a shortcut. Then it will save the icon of this file. And when you click on it, it will start the specified file. And if you want to clear this layer, just go to settings, then click on reset quick access. That will reset everything. And now it is time to demonstrate the voice commands or voice recognition. To see what commands that you can say, just go to this question mark, then this tooltip will show up and shows also a list of the voice commands that you can use. Now let's try one of them. Just click on this microphone button. Open Google. Open YouTube. Information about my computer.
Okay.
This window will show up and it has some information about your computer like processor and installed RAM. Open my files.
Okay.
This is supposed to be a list of the executed commands that you said. So if you want to clear it, just go to this, just go to settings, then select on clear main screen. I added also another feature, and it is auto recording, because this program will start every time your computer starts. So I added auto recording in case that you want for the voice commands to start without clicking on this button. So when you check this option, every time the program starts, the voice commands or voice recognition will start with it. So this is a good addition. And the last thing that I have to say is that you must disable the voice recognition when you have done working with it, because if you forget to disable it and you said, for example, with the word shutdown, the computer will shut down, and you don't want that to happen. So that's what I have for this video, guys. And if you want to install this program, you can download it for free from the link in the description below. Just remember the password is Beth. And if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like, and see you next video.